All right, hey guys. As indicated earlier today in the Zoom, I want to take you through the setup for the Circuit Simulator applet. And I added this assignment at the end of week 3 called Circuit Simulation. This is what I wanted you to give a try for today. So you click on this, and that's going to take you to this assignment tab. And if you note here, it's only 5 points. What I'm asking you to do is run this applet here and set up 3 circuits: a series circuit, a parallel circuit, and a series parallel circuit. What you'll turn in is a screenshot. Use your snipping tool, take a screenshot of your completed circuit, and you should be able to submit it back to this assignment here. So to actually get this applet, what you'll want to do is click on this, and it's going to download that. So I'm going to do that right now and allow this to download. At the same, so I'm going to save this to my, usually I'll save it to my downloads folder, which I have run earlier today, so it's going to remind me that. Yeah, sure. Now the FET electricity simulations, this link here, this is a phenomenal website here. There's all kinds of simulations in here. That link takes you to this website. You can see there's a lot of fun things you can get into. I took this and limited the filter to electricity only. And in here, there's a lot of quick simulator types that you can use to explore some of the basic concepts. And a few of these I will touch on later on. This is a great. I can just run this right here for you. You can see this interactive simulation of Ohm's law, and what happens when we increase the voltage and its impact on current, or what happens if I decrease resistance. So you can play with these and see how they impact things. So some neat simulators that are out there. The one that we're getting, this one here, it is embedded. You don't have to do much more other than download it from here. And so I'm going to now run that. It's down here in my downloads on the bottom screen. And I got to give it a moment to upload. Okay, now I have my software simulation up here. I need to build my 3 circuits. So it's going to tell you grab wire. Before I do that, let's grab my source. I'm going to use 3 different batteries here because I have 3 different circuits I'm working with. So I pull my 3 batteries out. Just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to put 3 light bulbs in series. So I'll use 3 light bulbs here. That. I'm going to just, if I right click on that light bulb, you can change your connection from the left side to the right side. Here's my 3 light bulbs I'll use for my parallel circuit. Like that. And we'll do 3 light bulbs for a series parallel circuit. We'll have a series dropping light bulb and 2 that are in parallel. Now all I need are my wires. So I pull the wire out here. I'm going to attach a wire to each of my parallel guys. And I need them to come out the other side over here. Okay, so got our parallel connectors out there. From my battery, I am simply going to those connectors. And you see when I get that first branch going, my light goes on. My second branch is going, my light also goes on. And then my third branch gets connected, that light goes on. So there's my parallel branch. I have 3 different branches. Notice that when I started that out, all I had to do is connect the first branch and it was connected. In a series loop, I have to go to each light bulb in order to get my my circuit complete. So in this type of circuit, you're dependent on each connection being there because you only have one pathway to complete your circuit. So that should set up my series. Now notice it's not nearly as bright as my parallel. I want you to think about why that might be. It is on, but it's not nearly as bright. So you can think about, well, what's it going to look like then when I go to series parallel here? I'm going to flip this connection just so my wire's on the left. So here's my series light bulb coming up to two parallel branches. So these are going to be my parallel branches for my series parallel circuit. Goes there, and I want to wire here to go there. Okay, and I'll do my parallel comes out like that, and we're going to connect this here, and then we'll connect it back to the circuit. Every circuit has a source, that's our battery. It has a load, something that uses the electrical energy, and it has a pathway. Now, an observation here, we're seeing the parallel circuit, the lights are the brightest out of all of these. And so this week, I want you to figure out, why is that? It does have to do with Kirchhoff's voltage laws. It has to do with Kirchhoff's current laws. You can assess this yourself. You can pull these meters, these ammeters and voltmeters out. You can figure out what's going on. Go ahead and change the voltage in your batteries and see how that changes the performance. Experiment. But for this assignment, all I need you to do is to put this together and screenshot it and send that picture in to me. Okay? Hopefully that helps. Have a great weekend.